Hello world, it's Siraj and I built a fully automated AI YouTube channel using Genspark. It's called Base Case Math, the base layer of reality, and it generates math proofs as YouTube shorts. This entire thing is generated by AI. The AI does the voiceover, the scripting, the visuals, the animations, the titles, the tags, the thumbnails, everything. Genspark was able to do all of this in one single prompt. Let's look at one of the many videos it's already posted so you can see what an AI generated video looks like.
You're on a game show with 3 doors, you pick one. The host opens another showing nothing. Should you switch? Here's what we're going to prove. Switching doors gives you a 2-3 chance of winning. When you first pick, there's a 1 in 3 chance you pick the prize. That means there's a 2 in 3 chance it's behind one of the other doors. The host opens a door and shows you it's empty, but this doesn't change the original odds. That 2/3 probability is now concentrated on the one remaining door. So switching gives you double the chance of winning. Always switch. This proof is mathematically verified. Your gut says 50-50, but math says switch. You'll win 2 out of 3 times. Follow at Base Case Math for more.
It stitched all of this together. My voice, which it AI generated, the animations, which it used Manum, the Python library that 3Blue1Brown uses to generate. It used a quality check to ensure that everything made sense. And I'm gonna show all of that to you in this video, how you too can build your own AI YouTube channel without coding anything using Genspark, the all-in-one AI workspace. And the super agent on Genspark was able to do this by coordinating a bunch of sub-agents to do their parts, like the AI video editor, the AI video generator, the AI script writer. All of these things the super agent was able to do. And I'm gonna show you how to do that in this video. So before we get started, let's take a look at some of the data, some of the stats. How well did this thing do? So the proof is that it's live. You can check the link right now, youtube.com/baseCaseMath. Go look at it right now. In only 3 weeks, it's already posted 33 videos and has 17 subscribers. And that number is going to compound over time because no human can keep up with 3 fresh videos a day, but an AI can. And the time to publish each of these videos is less than 30 seconds. Now, compared to publishing a video as a human, it takes a lot longer, let me tell you that. And the output velocity is 3 videos every single day. And get this, the cost per video is 12 cents. If you've ever posted a video on the internet, you know that it costs a lot more, hundreds of dollars, if not thousands, to post a single video. This thing did it in 12 cents. And the click-through rate was 5.8%. That is incredible for YouTube. So people really have a need to watch these math educational proof videos. They want something that's not just slop, something that makes sense, it's trustworthy, it's verifiable. And the autonomous loop that this AI created for this AI YouTube channel starts with the idea. It first generates the idea, then the script, then the hook. Then from that, it generates the content. From the script, what's the video? What are the animations? What are the voiceover? How does it all fit together? And then the last step is to publish this edited video to YouTube using the YouTube API. And then the final step is generating the income, which in this case is a simple referral link that we just add to the video description. Not a big deal. But over time, as it gets more and more attention, more and more people will click on that link and see, oh, I love math proofs. Let me see what this other thing is. Oh, custom GPT. It can let me build my own AI for math. Okay, let me sign up. And then we earn money. So what is the system architecture here? So the highest level bit is the super agent, and that is just this simple prompting window that you see on genspark.ai. That's all we have to look at as their architecture. It already has diagnosed what agents it needs to use for each subtask. So our job is to just design the high level prompt to get this thing going. And of course, there's quality gates. Now, if you've ever been on YouTube, which you must be right now, you have at least seen one AI generated slop video, and it is not good. A lot of the times these slop videos just don't make sense. They're unintelligible. They're not rational. And we need a human to watch these videos because AI can't yet watch videos at the level that humans can and rate their quality, because it requires streaming data across thousands of frames, as well as text and the little nuances of visual acuity that humans have that we built over our lifetimes. It's very hard still for an AI to do this, but I suspect in the next 6 to 12 months, the AIs will be able to do that. So it's just a matter of patience and getting the system set up right now, so when those intelligence upgrades come, our system will be ready for those step changes to adapt. Now, automation is also a part of this. It doesn't just generate videos, it posts them by itself, and it learns to adapt what the optimal posting time is, what videos it should be posting are, all based on the feedback from YouTube that's fed back into it. And then there's monetization. Just a single referral link is all we're going to focus on for now. But over time, as we gain over 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, our channel will get monetized from AdSense, and we can get sponsorships. And that's, month 3 to month 6 down the line. So all in all, we could start making at least $3,000 to $5,000 a month from this faceless, completely AI-generated YouTube channel, provided we have it running for at least a few months. I firmly believe that. And Genspark made this possible with its super agent, which I'm very impressed by. I have to say, I've tried out a lot of different agents, and I still haven't found one as comprehensive as this one, especially the video generator, which I'll show you. And one more slide about the automation architecture here. So just to go over this one more time, the way this works is the AI will first plan a topic, and in order to do that, it's going to search the web to find trending topics. Then it will write the script for a YouTube short. Then it will render the video from that script, and then it will upload the video to YouTube, optimize it once it's already there, and then track the revenue in Google Sheets from whatever we're getting from Custom GPT. So this is monetized from day one. We have to do no waiting, no buildup. It's just monetized. And to really bring this point home, this human versus AI comparison, there is no comparison. It's so much cheaper than using a human. 50 cents per video versus at least $90 per video for a human. And it takes 4 hours for a traditional team. This thing could generate a video in 5 minutes. What this means is that we're going to experience compounding output through this growth curve, just through 3 videos a day, every single day for the next 3 months. That is 180 videos. No human can keep up with that, at least 270 videos, I should say. And no human can keep up with that. So that's the benefit of using an AI. The leverage multiplier is that the output, the business value that we're generating from this is the quality of each video times the frequency times the distribution divided by the human time, which is going to 0, which means this can go up to infinity in terms of the value generated theoretically. Basically, what I'm trying to tell you is one person is a company now, and there's no excuses not to be. So the bigger implication here is that if you are running a traditional content team with people and it's taking a while, you will be plowed through by these people using AI. And so the opportunity then is to use AI to generate multiple niche channels all at once that you maintain as a single person, and you monitor each of them and you can monetize each of them accordingly based on what works. But then there's of course the ethical aspect here. Please don't go out there and generate AI slop that is not just not educational, it actually brings people down, like it gives them the wrong information. That is worse than not doing anything. So we want to play positive sum games here, not zero sum games. You win and someone else wins. It doesn't have to be that someone loses for you to win. We want to play win-win games. And so what that means is we need to verify the output of our AI. And because AIs are not that good at it themselves yet, we ourselves need to build systems to check and verify the output of the AIs. Quality check, automated quality checks. And if you can do this, then this is useful for you if you're an educator of any type, if you're an indie hacker and you want to promote your product at scale, if you're a solo creator, an agency, anyone and everyone can be a content creator now with AI. As long as they know what tool to use and how to prompt it. You don't have to get behind a camera anymore. The AI will do it for you. So let's build this. Let me show you exactly how to build this. We're going to go to genspark.ai. So once we're in the super agent, Now we're just going to give it this prompt. And a lot of the times I like to plan out my prompts. In this case, I'm just going to do it live and we're going to do this together. So let's use my voice to text with Whisper to get this going. I'd like you to give me the most profitable idea for a completely automated AI YouTube channel that runs YouTube Shorts. And I want you to do all of the work. I want you to generate the ideas, generate the videos, generate the thumbnails, generate the titles, the tags, everything you have to do. Put them all in your AI drive at the end so that it's in the cloud. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Zapier to build an automation that pulls data from that AI drive to my Google Drive and then automatically post to YouTube. I want you to do all of the work here. Use Google Sheets to track the upload schedule. I should not have to do anything, right? This is a one-person YouTube channel using entirely AI-generated content. I want it to be educational, so it's at least beneficial for those people watching it, and I want it to be profitable in less than 30 days. So get the most viral channel possible and start building, but ask my permission first. Okay, so you just saw my stream of consciousness prompt that I did not entirely plan, but it is in my head how I would build this. And as you can see, it's already going. It's got the most profitable niche, mind-blowing science facts. This niche will be profitable in under 30 days because science facts consistently go viral. It's educational. It's going to give me 10 shorts to start. It has revenue projections already, estimated earnings of $240 in the next 30 days. I am ready to proceed. Yes, I am ready to proceed. Please go ahead and do everything you need to do. When you're done, let me know. This is going to take 90 minutes. Apparently, I hear you. But when you're done, let me know, and I will go ahead and set up the Zapier. So now this super agent is orchestrating all of the different sub agents. It's created a plan, and this is just going to run. It's running using multiple tools, as you could see. It's creating the directories, it's creating the sub prompts, generating the videos, deciding how to stitch together. All these things would take humans days, if not weeks. You have no excuse to not start your own AI content channel now because this is possible. And it's still a green space. It's still a green field. Not many people understand how capable these systems are, but you do. You're watching this video. So thank you, first of all. I'm honored to have you here. Let us accelerate your development. Let us accelerate your output with AI. So I want you to generate these videos, and you can see it's generating these videos in parallel already. Honey never expires. Octopus has 3 hearts. Stomach acid can dissolve metal. It would have taken me a day to think of these 10 videos. It already has them. Incredible. It's not just generating videos sequentially. It's generating all 10 in parallel. That is incredible. So I'm going to step back, give it a bit, and we'll be back in 90 minutes to go to the next step. Let it generate all of this.
This is one of the many reasons they achieved $100 million in annualized revenue in only 9 months.
All right, it just finished generating the entire pipeline. We could see the videos here. Let's watch the first one.
Imagine stretching your mind across the entire universe. Let's scan the cosmic enormity. There are over 2 trillion galaxies, each with millions or billions of stars. The observable universe spans 93 billion light years in diameter. But what's beyond? Endless cosmic wilderness or something else?
So we now have all the videos in this AI drive. And now that it's in this AI drive, we will move it to our Google Drive and then go to Zapier. And Zapier lets you build automations, and they have this new AI copilot. So I'm just going to use AI to talk to it. I just generated this set of AI generated videos with Genspark.ai, and I want you to post them to YouTube for me. Just create an automation for that. Very simple. I don't know how to code. Just get the videos from my drive, post them to YouTube automatically on a set schedule, and that schedule is in the Google Sheets that the AI generated in the Google Drive. Do this all for me, please. And so now it is going to generate this zap. And a zap is an automation. I used to have to manually create these zaps in the editor, but now the AI does it for me. So I can just say, go ahead and do this, and it will generate the zap for me. And now I just have to authenticate with my Google Drive, as well as my YouTube channel. And now it has the triggers. and you can see it just posted to YouTube, the first YouTube video for this brand new AI YouTube channel. And I will now enter my referral code for customgpt.ai into the description so that some portion of the people watching might click on it and find it useful, and I can make money from it. So that's the idea. Genspark enabled this experiment. Thank you, Genspark, for making such an incredible product. I'm super excited about this. They achieved an annualized revenue of 100 million within just 9 months, and they're 30 people. So I'm very impressed by them. They're taking on the giants like Google and Anthropic. So go Genspark. Keep building this product. I love it. I'm using it to generate my own AI YouTube channels. And if you found this video useful, you should definitely try out Genspark. They have a trial to get free credits on sign up and build your own AI YouTube channel. If you do, share the first YouTube video you generate with me in the comment section. I would love to see what you have built. And until next time, happy generating.